this PC is missing display driver. Here you can see the message that searching for display driver, screen resolution, performance and battery life may be reduced until a compatible driver. So you know that this PC doesn't have a display driver right now. So what we have to do is we have to click on the file explorer. Then here is this PC. We have to right click on it and click on the properties. Now the properties panel is shown. You have to click on device manager and maximize it, and here you have to choose display adapters. Here you see Microsoft Basic adapter. This is the by default display driver for every Windows. This is installed, so we have to right click on it and we have to click on the update driver. Now here is option. Remember that you are connected to internet, and here you can see that this PC, the laptop is connected to internet. So here, how do you want to search for drivers? So click on search automatically for drivers. This process is checking on if there is a good internet connection and the manufacturer of your machine provides the display driver, so it will be downloaded online. Otherwise you need to install driver pack solution or some other sort of drivers which the manufacturer of and device provides. It will take some time. So the downloading is started. You can see here.